I got this temporary beam all up on my lonesome with a couple ratchet straps and some superpowers. Wasn't really that hard. Maybe took me, I don't know, 20 minutes max. But I wasn't asked to do this, but I figured it just kind of had an epiphany and rolled with it. Not that big of a deal. And then we'll put those are jacks and also temporary posts. We'll put those under here, lift up this roof load so that we can remove this wall, which really isn't holding anything. It was pretty pathetic. And we'll cut all this out, put a new laminated beam. Let me show you the one we got in here. Now this was definitely a two-person operation. This sucker is I think it's almost 18 feet long. So now this one is holding the roof load here, and see how these rafters go this way. On this side they just continue there. So this is holding there, and then that'll be temporary, that'll hold there, and then we'll replace this, and it'll sit on this along with this post, this laminated post. And then we have another temporary beam and post set up here just to make sure when we mess with this side, all of this is held in place and doesn't go anywhere. Let's see, what else have we done? So the post, I did a little video on, there was nothing there. They just had the post that was holding up pretty much. I mean, it's pretty much right smack in the middle of the house, and it was just sitting on plywood. If I remember right, it wasn't even sitting on that joist there. So this is sitting on the, brain fart, brick ledge, cement basement foundation. It's not my strong point, but it's sitting on there. I'm not the brains of the operation on this. It's there's people a lot smarter than me involved, and with a lot more knowledge and experience. So got that. It goes all the way across so that they'll have a completely open flow in their house. And then we got a king and two jacks holding this up. That's actually, again, sitting on the brick ledge. Come over here. Hopefully all this turning isn't bothering you. Same thing over here. And then, we're going to put hurricane ties on all this just to make it all stronger. But that's where we're at so far, just to give you an idea of how this is done. It's pretty cool stuff. This is the second one we've done this year, and the other one was way, way harder. There was a upstairs involved, a basement that didn't have, there was an upstairs involved, and then a basement that didn't have any support at all. And it was just basically floating on the main floor. It was awful. That's the drywall videos I was doing. But if you like seeing this kind of stuff, like and subscribe. People are starting to join, and it's pretty cool that you guys are commenting and you're letting me know what you guys think about stuff. So yeah, keep that up. Constructive criticism, like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.